Humble on the track.
What's up, y'all? Excuse the noise in the background, but woo, I got a new job and I just been working, so that's why I haven't uploaded. I don't know, I need to figure out a schedule. I need to see how I'm gonna upload, what I'm gonna upload, considering I have a full-time job now. So I need to figure out how to manage my hair while being a working woman, okay? So, but for now, I just took out a twist out. My hair is not freshly washed. I just detangled it in the shower. So my hair is not freshly washed. I just detangled it in the shower. This is an old twist out. Well, it was an old twist out. But I'm just going to put it in a high puff since it's toward the end of the week. And then this weekend, I'm going to film a new style that I'm going to be doing for the following week. But I just put this leave-in conditioner in my hair in the shower. And then I'm going to be using this Eco Styler gel to lay down my hair. Probably going to apply some more leave-in conditioner because I need to dry my hair. My hair is way too wet right now because it needs to be dry by the morning. Okay, by 6 a.m. to be exact. And it is 10:13. So, I shouldn't use a towel. I'll use a t-shirt. Okay.
Humble on the track.
Timothy's time to take over.
So what you want to do is you kind of want to position it to where you think you might want your puff, like how you want your puff to like fall on your head when it dries in the morning. Because I don't do this part right now, I do this part in the morning and make it curly and cute. And I'm just combing my hair upward to make sure it's no lumps. I did this in the shower too when I was detangling my hair. I detangled my hair upwards. Now, you want to take your Eco Styler gel and put it all over your head, okay? I'm gonna try to put as much as I need, not too much, because then that means it's not gonna really fully dry how I want it to. And you're also going to need some edge control because after I finish like the base, I'm going to hit these edges to make sure they're laid. Make sure you get the back of your head because that's going to be the most exposed part. You can't be walking around with the beady beads in the back. And you want to take a good, thick, dense quality brush and lay your hair down. Like, y'all know what the next steps are. Get to it.
Humble on the track.
Timothy's time to take over.
Okay, so to make sure this is like laid, I'm taking this got to be, look, this might not be the healthiest method, but I gotta do what I gotta do. Cause I work in corporate now, okay? No, I'm just kidding. But I do gotta do what I gotta do, okay? And I'm going to take some of this edge control, instinct control, and just kind of put it on my hair too.
Humble on the track.
My hair is thick, so I need all the support I can get. Pretty much got the base done. You want to get a secure, good band, not anything that look like that, one that looks like that, okay? And you just want to brush it and make sure it's neat, because this is the final slay and lay. Excuse my armpits.
Humble on the track.
That's how it looks. Am I the only one that be like, please don't break when I put my band on? Okay, I'm taking that edge control. I'm gonna lay my edges down.
Humble on the track.
Timothy's time to take over.
You want to take a scarf and tie it down. So I just sleep with this like this overnight.
On the track.
Then in the morning, I'm gonna really try to film how I make it like this. I mean, make it curly, because I'm not wearing it like this. So, see y'all in the morning.
Humble on the track.
Timothy's time to take over.
Okay, you guys, so I'm in the car now, but this is the results of my hair. It's gonna dry more, but you can see the curl pattern. But this is the end. These are the results. I love them. But as it dries, it's going to get poofier. So I'm just going to use my pick to pick it out. This is how it looks. I'm going to fix that when I get closer to work. But this is it. And it's going to get poofier. I don't want to mess with it too much. I'm going to let it air dry. So that's it. That's the end of this video, you guys. So I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and check out my other ones. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Hey y'all, I'm off work, but I wanted to show you guys a better view of my hair after it dried down. And it's completely dry. That's how it's looking. But yeah, I love how it looks. This is like one of my go-tos. I love wearing my hair like this. I think it's so cute. Edges laid and slayed, okay? So if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe. And let me know how you like this look. Bye.